Hi guys, so my cake hack would have to be my 50-50 sugar paste mix. I want a sugar paste underneath my painting that is easy to cover. I want the cakes to be easy to cover. I don't want to spend hours doing it, but I also need a paste that sets really hard so we don't get any of those brush strokes, and if I lean on the cake while I'm painting, I don't get any dents in it. So I mix together 50% of the sugar paste, which has a really nice elasticity. It's lovely to cover cakes with 50% of the Squire's Kitchen sugar paste. This sets really hard. And I find that if I mix the two together, I get the perfect base. Either sugar paste is lovely by itself. They both work really nicely by itself. I find the sugar paste super easy to use to cover cakes, but I just find it doesn't ever set that hard for me. It never goes really hard, so you can still leave finger marks if you lean your hand against when you're painting. If you push your brush too hard against the side of the cake, you'll leave marks. And the Squire's Kitchen paste is lovely, and I've used it for years, but it hasn't got quite as much elasticity as this one. So you get more risk of it maybe cracking or getting the elephant skin. But once it's on the cake, it sets super hard and it gives me a lovely base to paint on. So my top tip is mix them both together. So 50-50, some of that one, knead it together really well and stick it on the cake. And it's a dream to cover with. You do get a few air bubbles. You can pop those with an acupuncture needle and it makes the perfect base for your painting. So I hope you enjoy that tip. Give it a go. Bye.